I'm not even getting a call for an interview, or my resume is not getting shortlisted. This can be because of ATS, Applicant Tracking System. Guys, if today you are dealing with all these type of queries, questions and uncertainties, stick to this video. This is going to be very, very beneficial for you. Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Ramdrijan. I am a civil servant by profession and a communication coach by passion. I am the founder of Communication Champions Hub and I am the professor at BadaBusiness, an initiative by Dr. Vivek Bindra. I am a Josh Talk speaker. If you have not watched my Josh Talk video, just go to YouTube and type Ankit Jan Josh Talk. You will find my video. That video is regarding how to crack government service examinations. And I am an entrepreneurship mentor at CGI, Confederation of Global Innovators. So here we start today's video. Let me share something with you guys. I hope that this is very much visible to you. Guys, if your resume is not getting selected, you are not even getting a call for an interview, ATS can be the reason. In today's video, we are going to talk about ATS, Applicant Tracking System, and you have to have the information about ATS, because without knowing this, it is very, very hard. It is very, very tough to get in a company, to get selected in a company, to get your resume selected by the interviewer. So first of all, you please note down that ATS, Applicant Tracking System, is a basic software. Just imagine, guys, that Google has a job opening and maybe lakhs of candidates are applying for that job, for that post. Now, just imagine, is it possible for them? Do they have so much resources, manpower to scrutinize all of those resumes? No. Hence comes the role of ATS. More than 98% of the Fortune 500 companies use this software. What they do? Basically, they run your resume here in this ATS, and this ATS scrutinize your resume. That is a machine. Yep, that is a machine. That is a robot. Okay, so we have to think on those lines. Human interference is zero. More than 98% of the applications will get rejected by that ATS. Then only they will scrutinize. Human interference will come into existence after that ATS job is completed. So it is a software. It will basically screen your profile, not manually, with the help of technology. Now, what will that software do? What will ATS do with your resume? It will search for the important keywords pertaining to the job description and pertaining to your resume. So let's suppose you have applied for a production post in a factory. Okay, now they will search the keyword like production. The production will be the keyword in that particular job, and if that keyword is not there available in your resume, that means ATS will straight away reject your resume. This is just a mini example. I will tell you plenty of things that how you can beat ATS and shine with flying colors. Okay, here we go. Two things you have to take care of whenever we talk about ATS. First is keyword research and second is parsing errors, that is formatting errors. First, keyword research. Yep. First of all, you have to tailor your resume to the job description. You have to tailor your resume. You don't have to give the same resume to all the recruiters, to all the interviewers. No, don't do that mistake. You have to tailor your resume. You have to stuff few keywords related to the job description. as per the job description. Second, match your resume keywords to the job description. Matching your resume keywords to the job description is very, very important. As I have told you in the previous example of production, you have applied for a production manager post, and if production word is not available in your resume, the game is over. ATS will work and your resume will get rejected. You have to optimize for ATS search, and you have to optimize for your ranking algorithm. That is a machine, that is artificial intelligence. You cannot manipulate that. So you have to work as per that technology, as per AI. So you have to optimize that ranking algorithm. That is the least you can do, optimizing your resume as per the job description. Next, avoid overstuffing. Let's suppose in the same example, if you have applied for a production manager post, now in your resume, let's suppose there are 10 times production word is used, 10 times. It is huge. That means you are overstuffing with that keyword. That will also not work. You know why? At this particular stage, ATS will select your resume for sure. Why? Because production word is there. But when the manager, when the human interference will come into existence, some recruiter will manually check your resume, production word will be there a lot more of times, and that is not good. That is not comfortable to anybody's eyes. Production, 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 no. So don't commit that mistake also. Next is use both the long form and acronym version of keywords only and only for this ATS. Because of ATS only, you have to use both. Like if you are an MBA, you have to write MBA and Master of Business Administration. Let's suppose you have a specialization in SEO, that is search engine optimization. Always use the acronym and the full form. Don't forget to do that. Next is using standard resume headings. I know that many of you are right now doing these type of mistakes, and that is the reason your resume is not getting selected. Now, how you can use standard resume headings? Let's suppose work experience is a very standard resume heading. Now, if you really want to be cool, if you really want to present yourself as a cool guy, you can write there where I have been in place of work experience. Now, ATS will reject that because that is not the keyword that ATS is searching for. So keep it simple. Please mention their work experience only. Next, parsing errors. Very, very important, guys. I told you that formatting errors are basically parsing errors. And you know, when it occurs, basically when you copy paste the material from somewhere else, formatting error will be there. So please don't copy paste something in your resume, just type there manually in order to ignore that formatting mistake. Next, do not use the tables or columns. We do that mistake, right? Whenever we are having educational qualification column, now we will tell 10 standard, 12 standard, graduation, post graduation in a tabular format. No, ATS will reject your resume because of formatting errors. Because of that table content and columns content, formatting error will definitely come in between and they will straight away reject your resume. Do not use headers and footers. Headers, footers, don't use in your resumes, not at all. Next is wrong spellings, means spelling mistakes and grammatical mistakes. From both viewpoint, it is wrong. From the ATS viewpoint and from the viewpoint of the manual scrutinization of a resume, it is absolutely a big blunder. Let's suppose ATS is searching for a specific keyword from your side and you have written a wrong spelling. It will not select you. Grammatical mistake. Even if your resume is getting selected by the ATS, When an interviewer will scrutinize your resume, that grammatical mistake will not serve your purpose. Yep. So please pay attention to your grammatical mistakes and your spelling mistakes. Logos and images. Don't use any logos and don't use any images, any image of yours. It is not required until and unless you are a model, you are an actor. Until and unless you are a model or actor, don't use your images. That area is very much crucial. You have to fix, you have to include important keywords in that particular resume area, and you are basically wasting that area by including your photograph. So don't use that. Don't do that blunder. Next is always save your file in a .docs file or .doc file. That means a Microsoft Word file always. And I will tell you why it is so. In most of the cases, you send your resume in a PDF format and you say, and many of them say that this is a professional approach. No, this is not. Please have your resume in a Word file in a .doc or .docs format, because in some of the cases, those recruiters have to send your resume to their client after editing in your resume. Now, if you have sent them as a PDF file, they will not be able to edit your resume. Now, there are two chances. First chance, they will ignore your resume. And second chance is that they will convert it from PDF to Word file, and then they will edit your resume and then they will send it to them. So do you think there is any chance that they will do the second option, that is converting your resume from a PDF to Word and then editing it and then sending it? No, they will not do it. Nobody has that much time. So by doing this little mistake, your resume is having very less chances of getting selected. So this is it about ATS. I hope that you liked this particular video, and yeah, and if you want such type of content, let me know in the comment section. I will make more videos. All right, Ankit Ravindra Jain signing off for now until we meet again. Thank you.